Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaylah Raye. I'm a lead software engineer managing a team of 6 after just 5 years in IT. And my channel is for new developers, women in tech, and first-time leaders looking to take your leadership and lifestyle to the next level. So if that's you, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss another upload. Now today, I'm going to share with you 6 ways that I use my English degree every single day in IT. Let's jump into the video. Now let me guess, you have an English degree and you have no idea what to do with it. It's okay. I was in the same boat a couple of years ago before I got into IT. So I really wanted to use this video to share a few ways that I've been able to transition the knowledge that I learned to using it as a web developer every single day. Step number 1. Learning to code is just learning another language. So think about everything that you've had to learn about the English language or any other foreign language that you were studying closely. You had to learn how to read, how to write, how to understand the semantics and punctuations of that language. As a programmer, you'll have to understand the rules of writing in the new programming language that you're learning. Number 2, code reviews are peer editing. So you're probably the friend that everyone sends their English papers to, that people ask to look over something before they submit it, and you are going to thank them for every time you had to dig through a paper. Code reviews are an opportunity as a developer for you to review someone else's work and to provide input and give feedback on not only how to improve efficiency, to make sure that they're writing in the language correctly, but also to make sure that it's actually solving the right problem. And so you're not just reading for grammar, you're actually reading for context. You get to dive into the logic that they've written and make sure that their code makes sense. It's an opportunity to break out your red pen. You've done this before. Number 3, the code is just telling you a story. No matter what problem you're trying to solve in the technology space, actually stepping through the code, reading what someone else has written is going to tell you what the program is really doing. It's more than just understanding the requirements. You are actually one of the few people that can dig into what's really going on and uncover maybe some gaps in the logic. Just like a good book, well-written code will leave you a trail of breadcrumbs to follow. You'll be able to reverse engineer that code without knowing the project or the author. Number 4, you get to learn the characters. User personas are something that are used a ton in web development. And a persona is the person that you're building your application for. So just like we had to learn to analyze characters, understand their emotions, understand what they need, you can take that same approach to learning the user personas that you're building for. You've spent years learning how to understand different perspectives. Understanding your personas more will also make it much easier for you to understand the results that you're expecting from the code. Number 5, analysis. How many nights have you spent analyzing a text or a chapter? You know how to find nuances in the text, how to analyze the author's perspective, and how to read between the lines of anything that you're reading. Those same skills are going to be used every day in software development. Those critical thinking skills that you've been building for years are going to be so valuable when you start to create proof of concept, when you need to provide evidence to back up your new ideas. Your background has taught you how to defend the choices that you've made. And number 6, collaboration. Daily communication is required when you're a developer. You're not siloed working by yourself if you're working in a corporate infrastructure. And even if you are an entrepreneur, you still have to communicate with your customers that you're building for. Now that you've learned another programming language, you're bilingual. You'll be able to translate the very technical program that you're working on to your business partners, to your clients, to those stakeholders that need to have a deep understanding of how your code is working without being able to read it. You become the liaison because your communication skills are often going to be stronger than your other developers on your team because they don't have the experience that you have. As an English major, communication is your superpower. Use it. You're more prepared to step into the world of code than you think. If any of today's tips helped you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss another upload. I upload new videos every Thursday and I cannot wait to chat with you in the comments. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!